Video inspection of the Okamoto Grindex ACC-6-18DX3 automatic surface grinder. Do a quick walk around. Super quiet. It's got an electromagnetic chuck. Control panel. Control box is very clean. Walk around the back. You see the serial number. Okay, we'll make this machine operate correctly. There's the other casting and the serial number on that as well. Okay, the head going up and down, so this is very quiet. Can't even hear it moving. Front and back.
That's manual.
So it has one axis. Okay. Concludes the inspection of the Okamoto grinder.